So you might be in a situation where every time you open up either your mail app or your messages app, you just go through and get like a little white screen. So when you open it up, there might just be like a white screen that comes up. Now, the first thing I'd recommend doing is to go through and just close out of that application. So completely swipe up from multitasking, completely just close out of that application like this. And what you're going to want to do there is to hop back into that application. So jump right into that application and you want to see if that ends up, kind of fixing it. A lot of the times too, if that doesn't end up working, the other thing you're going to have to do here as well is to try force restarting your iPad. So find your power button inside of your iPad right here, find the volume down button or whichever button it is for your iPad, and go ahead and power off your iPad completely. Swipe the power off and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem. For a lot of people, again, that might end up doing it for you too. Now, another thing too is to try going through and just double checking your airplane mode. Try toggling on and off airplane mode. So if airplane mode's off, turn it on, give it a few seconds, turn it back off, and you want to see if that ends up fixing it too, which again, for some people, that might end up doing it. If that's still not working, you might have to delete and reinstall the mail application. So go through, hold down on that mail app, go and delete it, or messages even, delete it, kind of add them back in. See if that ends up fixing the problem for you too. If that's still not working, try seeing if you can update your iPad, which for some people that might end up fixing it too. So those are kind of the main ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.